Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Money Your Way. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a real estate titan that has not only shaped Singapore's skyline, but also established a significant global footprint, City Developments Limited. Founded in 1963, City Developments Limited has evolved into a major international player. Join us as we explore their journey, their crucial financial figures, and what drives them in the dynamic world of property. Please note that the content presented in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. We strongly recommend that you seek proper guidance from a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Every major company has a story, and for City Developments Limited, it began in 1963. From those early days, they've grown into a global force, operating across 168 locations in 29 countries and regions. Their business isn't just about building, it's a mix of developing properties, holding income-generating assets, managing over 160 hotels worldwide, and increasingly, managing funds. This diversification is key to their financial stability. Let's delve into some crucial financial figures. City Developments Limited's revenue has seen its peaks and troughs, reaching 4.9 billion Singapore dollars in 2023. However, their earnings have been more volatile, showing a significant loss of 1.93 billion Singapore dollars in 2020 before rebounding to a profit of 1.27 billion Singapore dollars in 2022. This translates to earnings per share, which followed a similar trend from negative 2.11 Singapore dollars in 2020 to 1.38 Singapore dollars in 2022. When it comes to rewarding shareholders, their dividend per share reached 0.21 Singapore dollars in 2022 but stood at 0.10 Singapore dollars in 2024. These figures highlight the impact of market conditions and project cycles on their financial performance. To gauge City Developments Limited's value, we look at key metrics. Their price-to-book ratio was reportedly around 0.5 times in early 2025, suggesting a potentially undervalued asset base. Their dividend yield, based on the 0.10 Singapore dollars dividend per share in 2024, was approximately 1.7% as of April 2025. It's also important to note their strong financial position with cash reserves of 2.8 billion Singapore dollars at the end of 2024. Comparing these figures with industry averages helps us understand their relative valuation. Analyzing City Developments Limited's stock price movements involves looking at trends and key levels. While we won't delve into complex technical indicators, understanding the general direction and areas where the price has historically found support or resistance can offer insights into market sentiment. Technical analysis helps interpret past price data, though it's not a predictor of future performance. City Developments Limited operates within the dynamic Singaporean and broader regional real estate markets. Singapore in 2025 sees limited private housing supply, while some Southeast Asian markets are experiencing mild growth in office rentals. City Developments Limited stands out with its high occupancy rates in its Singapore office and retail portfolios. They compete with major players, each vying for opportunities in this diverse landscape. Looking ahead, City Developments Limited faces certain financial risks, including a net gearing ratio of 69% as of the end of 2024. Market volatility and regulatory changes also pose potential challenges. However, they have significant growth prospects, including expanding their living sector portfolio in key international markets, growing their fund management business towards a target of 5 billion Singapore dollars in AUM by 2028, and actively recycling capital through over 600 million Singapore dollars in asset divestments in 2024. So, to summarize, City Developments Limited is a global real estate player with a diversified business. Their financial performance has shown fluctuations, with a revenue peak in 2023. Key metrics like their PB ratio of around 0.5x and a dividend yield of approximately 1.7% offer a snapshot of their valuation. They maintain strong cash reserves of SGD 2.8 billion while managing a net gearing ratio of 69%. Understanding these financial figures provides crucial context for analyzing City Developments Limited. We hope this detailed look at City Developments Limited and its financial figures has been insightful. If you found this informative, please like the video and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Let us know in the comments what other companies or financial topics you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching.